Jinan BCAMCNC Machinery Company Limited was established with the most discriminating customers in mind and has proven itself quality-wise by selling our products to over 90 countries worldwide successfully. Belong to BCAMCNC Machinery Shandong Company Limited, professional machinery manufacturing company with 8,000 square meters factory, a highly specialized workforce, and more than 20 patent technologies, has gained a global reputation. BCAMCNC Machinery Shandong comprehensive in the production, design, manufacturing, trade and service of CNC machine like fiber laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, laser cleaning machine, carbon dioxide laser cutting machine. Our wide variety products used in the field of signage, sheet metal processing, aerospace. All our products are precision engineered to ensure the high standard expected from ourselves. The whole manufacturing process is meticulously and systematically controlled to guarantee the precision and quality. Customer service excellence. Jinan BCAMCNC have a strong and resourceful sales and technical support teams who are well trained to provide our customer possible service. For better service to our customer, BCAMCNC has already established sales and service branches and warehouse, French, UK, Germany, Dubai. BCAMCNC Machinery Shandong has more than 15 years of experience and has built and installed thousands of machines for industries including metal composite cladding, sheet metal processing, signs, advertising, auto parts, metal crafts, metal letters, graphics and print finishing, metal fabrication, solid surface, and many more.